on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be reviewing and installing the Tommy gun tune provided by Mafia Racing. If you guys watched the last exhaust video, you guys will know that I actually told you guys I was going to get tuned by them. And previously to them, I was actually tuned by NPT. And the main reason that I ended up going with Mafia Racing is two reasons. One, they added a burble tune, which NPT does not do, which I don't know why. I don't run any cats on this car, so it's not like I'm gonna damage that. And because two, to me, it seems like they are so committed with the 3.7. They have made a single turbo kit for the 3.7, and it looks like that's one of their main focuses, or at least on YouTube, that's what they show off the most. I do want to do the single turbo kit through them, but of course, I'm still saving, so that was going to be a long-term goal for me. And before we guys actually install it and show you the review of it and what I think, we're actually going to clean the car. It is pretty dirty, and I'll show you in just a second. It is my daily driver, and because of that, it's literally dirty sometimes. It does look like I neglect it, but literally I drive it every single day, so I can't really clean it all the time. And it's literally under a huge, massive tree. And with everything blooming and all the stuff crap falling on it, it is time to give it a good wash. And then after we give it a good wash, we'll install that Mafia Racing Tommy gun tune and see how it goes. I'm expecting some big pops and some big bangs, but I don't know yet. So, like I said, let's take a quick wash. Alrighty guys, so it's been about a minute since I've actually got done cleaning the car, and now we are actually installing the Tommy gun tune. One cable goes to the SCT4 scanner, and the other goes to the OBD2 sensor. And I've actually installed their Mafia Tommy gun, so I'm just gonna let that run, and I'll see you guys in just a bit when I do the first cold start on this. Alrighty guys, when you finally see this and go through all the processes, you'll see download complete. Tune has been programmed successfully to vehicle. Then you want to turn off the key, which you just do boom, turn it off from auto active, so that way everything inside turns off. And then you hit done. And boom, just like that, we have the Tommy gun install. So let me go set up the tripod so that way I can do a cold start and show you if there's any differences of just the cold start, because I know the Tommy gun, at least when you're driving, is massively different. I don't know if it does anything for the cold start, so let's check it out together. Alright, well there you guys have it. That is the cold start. I don't have audio of the original MPT tune that I had, which was the cold start that I actually did on, I think, my install video. I know I did a comparison. I don't remember if I was running the MPT tune or if that was stock, but that's the cold start with the Mafia Racing tune. I think it gives it a little kind of like a cammy sound, like a but it's not choppy by any means. The cam chops hard, which I really wish they made. I know Mafia is doing a lot of testing with, I think, cams and a build block and everything, which I can't wait, because you know, if I ever become big on YouTube, that's something I would love to do. I would love to make this like an 800 horsepower car, which I know a lot of people would be like, you should have just went with the V8, but I like being a little bit different, a little bit unique, which is why I did everything I've done so far. But enough talking, let's get to the secluded area and show you what this really can do, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so I am here on the country roads. I ended up actually uninstalling the tune and putting it back on, just because I didn't want to spoil it for me, because as soon as I got out of my driveway, I was actually hearing a little bit of pops, and like I said, I didn't want to spoil it. So let me roll down my driver window, and then let's give her a rip and see how it sounds on the inside. I've already am expecting a ton of pops. Like I said, as soon as I left the driveway, I heard it and said nope, I have to go back and install it, so let's check it out. Oh my god! I don't know if you guys hear that, but Jesus Christ, yo, this is insane. I'm only at 2,000 RPM. Let me show you. anyone who's out there listening to this in real life, I am so, my God, I'm so sorry. This is just, oh my freaking God, dude. This sounds insane. I'm out of words. Literally, Auto Mafia, you guys literally made an insane freaking tune. Literally, I'm definitely gonna have to request a mild tune because this is just too much. But before we head home, or before I actually end up pulling over and do some rips on the road and show you guys how it sounds from the outside, let me do one more rip, and then you know what, I'll put the tripod down and hopefully you guys enjoy this. Hopefully you guys can see it in my face. This sounds so freaking amazing and so good. I'm amazed. Like, let's do it one more time. One huge rip. Oh my God. Oh my God. It just sounds so freaking good and it's just insane to hear. Like, you hear that? It is just I have a car behind me, so I'm gonna hurry up and try to leave this area and then find a place I can put the tripod down and show you guys some clips. Hopefully you guys can understand the freaking loudness of these pops are insane. Oh my God. I hope the camera can really capture how loud they are, because in person they are like gunshots. Legitimately, if I was living out here, maybe I would think it's a gunshot. But enough rambling. Like I said, we'll find a spot, put the tripod down, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I can't see myself on the camera because I have the mic set up different, but oh my God, this is insane. I'm gonna hurry up and pack up and leave because I think I've stayed in this little place a little bit too long. Revving get a little bit too long, and also just the general pops and bangs it normally does. I want to make sure I don't get the cops call on me. So let's head home and I'll give you my final impressions, and that'll be it for this video. So like I said, I can't see myself, so hopefully I'm in frame, but see you in just a second. Alright guys, we are back, and I hope you enjoyed those clips. I absolutely enjoyed driving this car with that tune. As you see, I was speechless, I was stumbling, I was stuttering, because I don't even know how to explain this tune. It is that extreme and that awesome. Now, of course, on the downside of that, my neighbors, I know for a fact, if they hear me driving it like this every single day, are gonna hate me because my car's already loud to begin with. And on top of this, this is just shooting bangs and pops and just like crazy. So I'm definitely gonna ask Auto Mafia a toned down version, which I've already emailed them, so hopefully I should be receiving that later. But my initial review and my initial thoughts are, this is awesome. And if you guys like this kind of tune, I would definitely recommend it. They don't only do for 3.7s. So speaking to my brother, if you want something like this, shoot them an email, go on their website. I'll leave their links in the description for their website and also their YouTube channel, so you could go check them out. The last video that they did where they actually installed this to a Mustang was an actual 5.0, so they do it for 5.0s as well. But huge disclaimer that I will throw out there is, do not run this tune when you have catalytic converters, because it will destroy them. I don't have any, so I don't have to worry about that. But Lastly, huge shout out to Auto Mafia for supporting the community, the 3.7 community. There's not a lot of places that still kind of do this kind of stuff, who's actually still developing things. Like I said, they are doing a single turbo kit. They're already produced, it's already out, and that's going to be one thing that I want to do in the future. Hopefully one day I'm big enough where they reach out, or I reach out to them, they hook it up. But you know, guys, with your support and your likes, your subscriptions, if you guys subscribe, maybe one day we can actually get them to hook it up. And like I say, this is going to be the new motto of this channel. Remember, guys, you got to grind to shine. And with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace out, and I'll see you in the next video.